Okay, so have you realized that nowadays most of the apps that we use on the online space or we use on our mobile phones runs ad? Okay, so if you are not using a pro feature or you haven't subscribed to a pro plan on the app, you keep on watching ads every minute or every set duration of the app. Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna teach you settings that you have to do on your phone to prevent these ads from running when you are using it. Okay, please, this video is for educational purpose. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you this strategy. It's the settings that you have to do on your phone, and once you activate these settings, when using these apps will not be running. Okay, so stay tuned to the end of this video. Make sure you like the video, you share it to your friends so that they can also benefit, and also subscribe to the channel. And if you're watching from Facebook, do well to like the page and follow as well so that you will get more wonderful updates like this, because for day in and day out we used to bring you such wonderful updates or such informations like this. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's see how this thing is gonna do or is gonna be. Okay, and let's all go in for these settings so that at the end of the day we will save our bundles. Okay, if you calculate the number of times you will view a certain ads on a certain app, it's very boring. Okay, these ads make app using boring, so let's get rid of the ads and let's know how you can access our apps, or we can use our apps free from ads so that you enjoy our apps. Okay, let's go. Okay, so to access this information, you go to your phone settings. Okay, so once you're on your phone settings, you go to where they've written more connection. Okay, so you click on more connections and you go to private DNS. Okay, some of the phones are set on off, others too are set to automatic. So this time around we are looking for a way to prevent ads from running when we are using certain apps. Okay, so you select private DNS provider host name. Okay, so you select that one and type in dns.adguard.com, sorry, dot adguard. Then you save. Okay, then you save. Once you save and you activate your internet data, it will connect. You see my own is showing as couldn't connect. Okay, because my data is off. But once your data is on and you set it on, it will come successful. Okay, and you can use any app for free. Okay, so maybe you are using a phone that your more connections or your private DNS is something difficult to find. Once you go to your settings, just tap on a search bar. Okay, and search for DNS. Just type in DNS. Okay, and search. You see it to pop up like this, and then you go on and you do your settings. If you find this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up, follow the page, and you are watching from YouTube, kindly subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss any updates. Thank you.